Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at some really bullish news for cryptocurrency. And I will say this, there is just so much bullish news this week and well, over the last couple of weeks, in fact. Now, it leads me alongside talking with, crypto insiders that the next bull cycle is going to, massively surpass the previous one, meaning more X's, more, gains and all that wonderful stuff. And I'm really excited to sort of delve into some of the reasons why in this video. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Jump into the Discord. It's absolutely free to join. You won't regret it. Over 4,500 people talking about crypto 24/7. Supporting one another, navigate the space safely. So it is a fantastic community, definitely worth being part of. Now, we also have a Patreon membership as well, over 206 project reviews with ratings, and also we have a technical analyst team that will take TA requests as well and answer your TA questions. So definitely worth checking that out if that is of interest. Again, link is in the description. Right, let's get down to the desktop and let's have a look at all this juicy news. Okay, so we're going to start on coin market cap before we get into the news. The total market cap of all crypto is up 1.48% at the time of recording at $930.39 billion. So a little bit of a recovery bounce. Nick and myself are both very much aligned to the fact that we expect the market still to have more downside. Now, I see this as pure opportunity. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Treat this as educational purposes only and go away and do your own research. FOMO into the research. See if the projects resonate with you before making any investment decisions. Make those based on your research. It's really important. There's lots of influencers shilling all sorts of things and not telling you that they're being paid to do so. So yeah, lots of crap out there in the crypto world, lots of scams, all that sort of stuff. So stay safe. The only way to do that is by doing your own research. But let's get into some of the articles and then we'll wash up with my thoughts and opinions on what it all means, right? So the first thing, and I guess both of these are related to MasterCard. So as you're aware, MasterCard are a monster of a company, right, in the payment sector, and they are getting into crypto massively. Now, MasterCard will help banks offer cryptocurrency trading, and this is really important. They have a number of services related to the payment sector already, particularly around fraud and all this sort of stuff, which is going to be massively beneficial for crypto and crypto companies. So look, I think although it's becoming more centralized, we need to become more centralized in order to become more decentralized long term, in my opinion. But that's a whole nother conversation. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on centralization, decentralization. At the moment, crypto is becoming more and more centralized. And the reason for this is big companies like MasterCard, like Visa, like Coinbase, like Circle, and more institutional companies and investors getting involved in crypto. I mean, look at Ethereum. It's become massively more centralized since the change from mining into proof of stake, with only 3 or 4 companies running pretty much the vast majority of it. And we're seeing the same across the board, in my opinion. But I think we've got to have this in order to get the influx of adoption for crypto, for it to then become more decentralized. That's my views and opinions on it. Now, MasterCard is launching a program to let financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading with their clients. The payment giant will act as a bridge between Paxo, a crypto trading platform used already by PayPal and banks. MasterCard will handle regulatory compliance and security, 2 core reasons banks cite for avoiding the asset class. There's a lot of consumers out there that are already interested in this and, are likely to get involved in crypto, but they feel that, they need more confidence in those services where offered by their financial institutions. And this is what, basically MasterCard can support with. And I think we're also going to see the likes of Visa get into this sort of aspect of things as well. So look, I have seen a lot of these companies, even BlackRock, JP Morgan, telling you how bad crypto is, how it's going to zero, and now we see them all onboarding, offering services and getting heavily involved in cryptocurrency. So first they fight it, then they warm to it, and then they embrace it. And I think that's kind of what we're seeing here with a lot of these big companies now. So I think seeing this alongside one other big piece of news that I brought to you earlier in the week, and that was the fact that they're mulling over fair value accounting for crypto holdings in the US. This, as I mentioned in a previous video, is going to support not only with, the big companies in the US getting into crypto. At the moment, there isn't a really a fair way to do the accounting for crypto. They're going to potentially open it up, and this means that you're going to have those small companies start to get involved, the medium-sized companies, and then the big-sized companies, and then you've got the whole shebang, right? You've got all levels with a fair playing field. So at the moment, the fair value accounting for crypto is not great, but this will encourage people to start putting money into Bitcoin and other crypto assets, like the monstrous size companies we see already. So I think there's just so much positivity surrounding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. I think that, coupled if we can get decent regulations as well, I think the moon is almost in sight. But do let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. I think there's just so much bullish news that is going to really change how we see cryptocurrency and the amount of adoption that we're going to see. This at the moment, this phase that we're in, everybody should, in my opinion, stay heavily engaged. Make sure that you're looking at the news, make sure you're watching the videos, make sure that you're part of a decent crypto community that have your back, not just their own. If you're looking at influencers, I think that dollar cost averaging, and this is just my opinion, it's not financial advice. Remember what I said earlier, go away, do your own research, FOMO into that, rather than actually buying based on anything that I say or any other influencer. But I do think dollar cost averaging in this phase at the moment, and even if we go lower, I think we're going to see lower lows, that doesn't concern me, it doesn't worry me, but it does seem like the biggest opportunity that we're ever going to see in our lifetimes to build generational level wealth. Just my opinion. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. I'm excited to see what your views are. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button. It really does support the channel. Share this video, again, would really support us. And if you haven't already, subscribe, tap that bell, make sure you select all of those notifications so you can keep engaged with everything related to cryptocurrency. We highlight hidden gems, we do technical analysis, and we bring you all the latest news on crypto, trying to keep you as well informed as we can possibly do. So thanks for watching, take care, and I will catch you in the next one.